Hello, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to do the revision of how to make 110. What is 110? 110 क्या होता है? When we group or join similar objects together and their number is 10 in quantity, it is called 110. 110 जब हम किसी भी चीज को इकट्ठा करते हैं और वो चीजें एक जैसी होती हैं और उनकी काउंटिंग उनका नंबर 10 तक होता है उसे हम 110 कहते हैं. Alright children, look at the picture. There are so many girls and boys who have come to say hello to you. Hello friend. Now let us count how many children are here with us. So we will count the girls first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will continue counting with the boys now. The turn for the boys. 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of them, the girls and boys, they are 9 in number. Now to make 110, what do? We add one more. So one more friend is coming and he also wants to join in. One more. Now, children, do you think this has become 110? No, there are still 9 boys and girls and one more boy. To make them a group or to join them, we have to get them together. But can you see? क्या ये बच्चे साथ में खड़े हैं या अलग-अलग खड़े हैं? Yes, they are separate. ये सब अलग-अलग दूर-दूर खड़े हैं. To make a group or to join, we have to get them closer. So let's do that. To make our 110, we have to group them. Now look, the children have got each other's hand. उन्होंने बच्चों ने अपने अपने hands को join करा है एक दूसरे के साथ. Now they have become 110. We have grouped all the children and they are 10 in number now. So this is 110 of children. To make 110, we will join or make a group. Only then it becomes 110. Let's do some more practice. Look what is here. Flowers. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 flowers. Now to make it 10, we have to ask for one more. One more. See, one more flower is there. But children, are they joined or grouped together? No, they are separate. There are 9 flowers with one more flower. Now, to make them 110, we will group them, join them together. So, we will take a ribbon and we are going to put all the flowers on the ribbon. See? 1, 2, 3 flowers. I put them on the ribbon. Now I'm going to put more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now to make it 110, what do we say? One more. So one more comes and the counting becomes 10. And now we have grouped them together on the ribbon. So it has become our 110. This is our 110 of flowers. Look! Fish. Now let's count our fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 fish. To make it 10, we say one more. We will add one more fish has come. Now children, to make 110, we have to group them together. So I'm going to put all these fish in my aquarium. Look, my blue, 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 cool blue water is come and is showing as if it is in an aquarium. Now they have become 10. 10 fish in the aquarium. This is my 110 of fish. I have grouped them together in the aquarium. Now look at this picture, children. These are clips or pegs. They are 10 in number and they are grouped together on a rope. Where Mama hangs clothes? Yes, this is 10 in number, so it becomes our 110 of clips or pegs. The second picture. Look, clothes are drying up. Like Mama washes the clothes and dries them up. So, these clothes are 10 in number. They are grouped together on a string. They're drying. So this is our 110 of clothes. Now activity time. You're going to make your own 110 with clips, earbuds, toothpicks, beads, spoons, flowers, bindis, whatever you get at home. Make your 110 and say, this is my 110. And do not forget to send me your photos and videos. Have fun!